What's up guys, Austin here. This is the VeeFriends Zerocool box break, box 1 of 8. And this was sold via blind Dutch auction on the Zerocool website. And their very first release was VeeFriends. So there's a total of 1,000 boxes produced, 800 of them was released to the public, and each box has 10 cards per box. I gotta say, this box feels super premium. I've been seeing online that there's been 10 or 11 cards per box that's being pulled. So we'll see how much we get today. So first up we have the Ernest Ermine base or core. Next up we got the Gentle Giant. Diamond Hands Hen. Fluxen Fox Rare, number 6 out of 8. We got a Fateful Pheasant Rare, 8 out of 8. Gracious Grasshopper, very rare, 2 out of 5. And we got the Bubblegum 5555 fan, 1 out of 1. Spontaneous Seahorse, base or core. Hungry Hammerhead, base. Sentimental Salamander, base. And these cards feel very nice. It feels very thick, good quality, premium cards. And here's the bird's eye view of the pulls. As a collector of Pokemon cards since I was a kid, this feels very nostalgic. They did a really great job. Thanks so much guys, see you for the next one.